A great motor planning game for the toddlers is flashlight tap. And so you can turn the lights off in a room and have a bright flashlight and shine it on different parts of the wall that they have to try to tap it. I really like this game because it's great to work on high and low, side to side. So, again, if they're working on strengthening, you can do lots of high where they go up on tiptoes and low to tap where they have to squat down low. If you're working on balance, you can do lots of side to side. If you're working on running, you can make them chase the light. So, flashlight tap is a great game for the 2-year-olds. For your 2 and 3-year-olds, we want to combine words with everything we're doing. So, up, high, low, make sure you're narrating the experience as y'all play together.